Government established the Agricultural Credit Facility in 2009 as an intervention measure towards the transformation of the agriculture sector to unlock challenges of access to finance by farmers. The key objective of the facility was to facilitate commercialized production through the provision of medium to long-term financing to projects engaged in various agricultural value chains. While appearing before Parliament's Statutory, Authority and State Enterprises Committee, the Deputy Governor, Bank of Uganda, gave an update on the fund.
People are getting interested in the fund. The fund is performing with very, very low non-performing loans, and the Bank of Uganda is.
The scheme is a public-private partnership between government and participating financial institutions like commercial banks with a 12% interest to beneficiaries. According to the Auditor General's report, the Western, Central and Northern region have continued to dominate uptake, with the Eastern region having the least number of beneficiaries. This, however, raised concerns in the committee, with members pinning Bank of Uganda for low sensitization of the fund in the regions.
These facilities seem not to be operating, but in silos. It's not the farmers whom it's intended to serve. Most of them, they are not aware of what we are.
And these people who are getting this money, are those the target that the government wanted to target, or they are giving it to the well-off people?
Radio talk show is 2 million in a village, not even in town.
Access to this fund requires applications by the farmers. However, the Auditor General records a low rate of funding to the approved applications.
Why? When it comes to bigger amounts, the approvals are what? Many. To smaller amounts, the approvals are what? Few. Meaning more, and they are not even there.
An eligible farmer is accessible to these funds within 14 days. However, the agent noted 50% applications taking more than 6 months to process, while some took close to a year to process.
But because of the dubious process that they go through to access the facility, along the way, they are frustrated and they give up.
The Deputy Governor, Bank of Uganda, responded to the concerns.
This loan is processed through a commercial bank. Have full documentation. So the major driver of this delay is really documentation. And I would like to challenge members of Parliament here. If you came to borrow this money and you have all your documentation, you will get this money in the next 48 hours. And you have the full documentation. But the problem, the Ugandans don't want to open up. We know ourselves. We don't want to open up. We want.
Lydia Chomkama and Gloria Gwitabinji, Parliament.